But for those who are managing our public affairs, also has a responsibility to ensure that what they are supposed to do is done and done right. But let us not limit ourselves to that tribal thinking that we have in Kenya. What we have in Kenya is horrible. We galvanize our national politics and our party formation along tribal lines. That's why we have this language of shareholding. Wengine wako na shares kubwa na wengine hawana. Lakini ikifika taxes, sisi wote tunalipa taxes. Can there be shareholding when you are paying taxes? We all belong together. It will not matter where the leader will come. He will be our leader, or she will be our leader.